All right. So I hope you have your bass in your hand and you're ready to go. If you don't have your bass already, go ahead and grab your bass because today's gonna be good, okay? We are doing No One by Elevation Worship. We don't usually do this type of songs, but in the VIP group, we have somebody who requested the song, okay? So if you want to be able to request your own song and you want me to give your song priority, please join the VIP group, okay? If you don't know how to join it, just comment VIP, okay? Just comment VIP. I will send the link so you can join. If you have any songs that you want to prepare for choir practice, for your programs, whatever, just tell me. I will do a tutorial for those songs on time, okay? So please join the VIP group chat. And if you have not already subscribed to this channel and you're watching every day because I put lessons out often, me and Tom and Jay, please subscribe to the channel and like the video already, okay? Because it's gonna be good. It's gonna be good. All right, we're doing Elevation Worship in the key of E, okay? We are in the key of E today. So let's go. And this song has a lot of progressions. So there's no one progression that goes with everything, okay? I'm gonna try to put the lyrics in another video with the progression. So look out for that. But for now, let's just do the song. The drums are already in, so you can go with the drummer now, okay? When the song starts. That's T-Do, Sol, Fa. T-Do, Sol, Fa, Sol, Fa. Sol, Fa. Do, Sol, Fa. La, Sol, Fa. So far, T-Do, so far, T-Do, so far, Do, so far, Do, so far. You can do La. So far, go to me, so far, so 1, 5, 4. 6, 5, 4, 7, 1, 5, 4. Okay, 7, 1, 5, 4. 7, 1, 5, 4. 5, 4. 1. 5, 4, 6, 5, 4, 3, 5, 4, 1, 5, 4. Go to 6. 6. Okay, you're gonna just do one, okay, just one the whole time. Just one. Just one for the bassist. Just one. Just one. All right, let's learn that. Okay. Sol, la, do, la, mi, fa, re, do. Sol, la, do, la, mi, fa, re, do. That is a little lick for that place. Let's do that part again, okay? No, no one, nowhere. 5, 4, no one, nowhere. 1, okay? Again, no one, nowhere. You can also go to 6. Yeah, no one, nowhere. Then I said, nobody like you. You go to 6. No one, nowhere. No one, nowhere. Okay, that's how you play that part. 5, 4. 6 this time. 4, 3, 3, 6, 5, 4. Do, so, fa, do, so, fa, do. Alright, so I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I hope you learned something. If you learned something, please don't forget to like the video, okay? If you like the video, more people will see it, okay? If you enjoy the video and you don't like it, you're just selfish, okay? You're being selfish. So please, like the video, share with somebody who wants to learn bass, and don't forget, there's I will leave the link in the comments so you can join the channel, okay? So you can join the VIP University. That's where you send me your specific requests, and I will do it in a timely manner. You can also send a request in the comments without subscribing. However, I prioritize the people who are in the base university. Okay, so that's why I will be able to do all of the songs that you request. What are you preparing for choir practice? What are you preparing for a program that's coming up? Or you just want to learn a specific song? Okay, whatever. Anything you want to learn, you tell me in the base university, and I'll prioritize it. You can also send me requests in the comments. I will do them when I have time. But I'll prioritize it more if you are in the university, okay? So that's just an incentive for you to join. So thank you for watching, and I hope you liked the video and share with somebody.